You've searched your name online. Your home address comes up, a previous home address, a relative's name comes up, or perhaps a phone number you have comes up as well, or had. You go through the process, you find out that there is a submission form to do a takedown removal request. You fill it out, you send it, wait a couple days, nothing happens. You wait a couple weeks, and boom, it's gone. Then you check out a month later, check back, and your information reappears. If that has happened to you, you didn't do anything wrong. That is just how the system is built to keep selling and repackaging your information to the highest bidder. The companies behind it are called data brokers. These companies will find your information online, package it, combine it, and sell it to the highest bidder. And really, there's no hacking involved, and it's perfectly legal, although pretty creepy. They will find it in whatever ways they can get their hands on it, from public records like voter registration, court filings, to perhaps loyalty card programs, and even buying GPS phone data from certain mobile apps. Wherever they can get their hands on it, they will figure out how to get it, repackage it, and sell it. Why doesn't a one-time removal work? Well, because it's not like a file folder sitting on a shelf that they throw and shred. It's nothing like that at all. It's an evolving, always changing profile about you. As different bits of data come through, or they're refound or rescraped, they can take that and republish it. So theoretically, yes, you did opt out, but that was you opting out of an older version of your profile. The newer version, well, that's still for sale. Then there's a copy problem, because by the time you have submitted an opt-out request, well, your profile was probably already sold to someone else. So you're constantly playing this chase game. And those copies keep recirculating until they go back full circle to that initial place you did an opt-out request for. And ultimately, that is why removing your information manually feels like a big game of whack-a-mole. Things pop up, you smack them, they go down, just to pop up somewhere else again. Before we move on to what actually works, check out the description below for an exclusive discount code. This will help you skip doing this manually and get to using Aura, which is what actually works immediately. Now, this discount code does support the channel at no cost to you, saves you a little money, and Aura automates the process for you. So it's not like you're having to do this constant recheck and make sure that your information is off these sites. They do it for you. Even if you're submitting this information anonymously, all of this can be pieced together to re-identify you. So the system technically is working as intended, which is the unfortunate part. But it explains why a one-time submission request doesn't necessarily work, because you sign up for new things, you input your loyalty number in new stores, things keep popping up where you are putting your information in that is new that you haven't before. So your profile is evolving as your life is changing. That is why automated removal services exist. It's not because it's more convenient, it's because something needed to be created that matches the pace of this machine. A continuous monitoring service can find, submit, and request your information be taken down. And the most important part is it can recheck to make sure that your information stays off. All of this is done automatically. And that's where the real value comes in. It's not just in removing your information, it's again checking that your information stays off. So the goal isn't to reach some near perfect online anonymity or anything like that. That is nearly impossible. The goal is just to reduce the exposure you experience online. And for that tool, we recommend Aura, because Aura includes a data broker removal service as part of its identity theft protection platform. Meaning, yes, it takes care of that one part, that part being reducing your exposure online. But there are other parts about Aura that keep your identity safe where a dedicated data broker removal service would stop, because it includes credit monitoring, dark web monitoring, VPN, antivirus, and if the worst were to happen, it even includes identity theft insurance. So if your information appears on a people search site or a dark web data leak, well, Aura can help you identify it and reduce your exposure. So if you're ready to try Aura, check out the description below for an exclusive discount code. This discount code will save you some money and support the channel at no cost to you. So if you found this helpful or you want more in-depth information, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. We've done tons of in-depth Aura or comparison Aura videos that you can check out. And the most important thing is now you've learned why your information keeps coming back and how the system works, which ultimately leads you to understand why continuous monitoring is the only way to reduce your visibility online with these data broker companies. Thanks for tuning in. This is Ro with Cybersleuth, and we'll see you on the next one.